with taskiri wa ta'anisi. What is taskiri and ta'anisi, brothers and sisters? Taskiri is masculine form. And ta'anisi is feminine form. If the mubtada is masculine, the khabar is masculine. Hamidun muhandisun. Wa zawjatuhu tabibatun. See? Now we are talking about his wife. Wabnahuma. See? What is wabna? Wabnani. What is it? Wabnani. Wabnahuma. Their two children are tajirani. Okay. Is wabna muzakkar? Yes. Is the khabar muzakkar? Tajirani. Yes. Wabintahuma, wabintani became bintahuma. Now this is muannas. What will be the khabar? Mudarrisatani, mudarrisatani. Got the idea? Mudarrisatani. So it matches. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. Now, brothers and sisters, our mind is saying that the tea should match us now. Let us have a break, inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters? Let's have some snacks and some tea and energize ourselves so that we can carry on, inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters, we are back from our break. We'll go to the main lesson now. Now you will figure out mubtada and khabar, and you will also figure out the kinds of khabar so that you can have a column, brother. Write a sentence, and then you will say, where is mubtada and where is the khabar, and is it mufrad, is it shibu jumla, or is it jumla? Only 3 columns. You will make only 3 columns. And then you can only check. For example, I'll give you example. Al-Mudarris. At-Tullabu Qaliluna. What is At-Tullabu? Mubtada. What is Qaliluna? Khabar. What kind of a khabar is this? Mufrad. Mufrad has to be marfu. Is it marfu? Why? Where is the sign of its marfu? Wow. Why wow? Because Jama Muzakkar Salim. You don't have to write down all these things, but it is mufrad. It is one word is your khabar. So if you have a column for jumla, you will write down At-Tullabu Qaliluna, and then you come to Al-Mubtada, next column, and what will you write there? At-Tullabu. And where will you write the khabar? Qaliluna. And then you have 3 columns. They can be only short columns. Mufrad, shibu jumla, and jumla. So is this mufrad? You just make a tick mark on mufrad to make it simple. Aina al-akharuna. What kind of a sentence is this? Jumla ismiya. What is aina? It is a zarf. It is also ismu istifham. What is it? Ismu istifham. So if it is zarf, what will you say? Shibu jumla khabar. Where is mubtada? Al-akharuna. So you will write down the sentence, ayn al-akharuna, and then you will write down in the column of mubtada, al-akharuna, and then when you write down in the column of khabar, ayna. And then you will write down shibu jumla. Or you can even go one step further and say zarfu makan. What will you say? Zarfu makan. Okay? But that you will write down in shibu jumla, in the column of shibu jumla. Right. Ali. Now this is so marvelous, brothers and sisters. In the next 2 sentences, Dr. Abdurrahim gives you all these 5 kinds of khabar. See his cleverness and his mastery. That in these simple sentences which are coming now, and count them, all the 5 kinds of khabar are there. Are you with me? Start now. Umaru ghaibun. Umar is absent. What is Umar? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Ghaibun. What is ghaibun? Mufrad. Wahamidun indal mudiri. What is Hamid? Where is khabar? What is in the zarf? Shibu jumla khabar. Got your zarf? You got your zarf? You got your zarf as a khabar? Fine. Well, ishaku fil mirhadi. And the ishaq is in washroom. So what is fil mirhadi? Jar majrur, shibu jumla. You got? How many kinds did you get so far? 3. Let's look for the 4th. Wal hasanu dhahaba ila al-ghurfatil muraqib. Jumla failure, see? So he is giving us 5 sentences, and there are 5 sentences which has different type of khabar, and that covers everything that is to be learned about the khabar. Okay? So zahaba ila al-ghurfatil muraqib. This is your jumla failure coming as a khabar. Abdul Razak was Zubairu. Put a line there. What is Zubairu? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Akhuhu maridun. This is another sentence. Jumla ismiya. Akhuhu maridun. This is a complete sentence coming as a khabar for Zubair. So where is mubtada in this sentence? Akhu. Wa huwa mudaf. And hu mudaf ilayhi. And what is maridun? That the khabar for akhu. And the whole sentence comes as a khabar for Zubair. Isn't it beautiful, brothers and sisters? In these 2 sentences, which consist of short sentences, you covered all kinds of khabar. That is to be learned about khabar. وَقَدْ اسْتَأْذَنَ الْمُدِيرَ. Brother, what kind of a verb is this? Form 10. Ista'zana. Qad ista'zana. When qad comes with madi, here you will say he has taken permission from the mudir. He has taken permission from the mudir. Okay? He has taken permission from the mudir fi zahabi, for going ila al-mustashfa. Istazana, yastazinu, al-mudira, mafulun bihi. So, brothers and sisters, where is the file for istazana? Mustatir, taqdiruhu, huwa. Very good, brother. Al-mudarris, madha bihi, what is wrong with him? Can bihi be mubtada? No. So madha has to be mubtada. What is madha? Ismu istifham. What is wrong with him? Okay? So madha is your mubtada, bihi jar majrur, shubu jumla khabar. Inshallah. What is the answer? Bihi magasun. What is magasun, brother? Severe stomach pain, you know. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So magasun is indefinite. So the khabar has to be shubu jumla now. Khabar has to be now shubu jumla. So bihi jar majrur shubu jumla khabar. Magasun is your mubtada. Yadkhulu hamidun wa ishaku wa yajlisani fi maq'adayhima. What is this maq'aday? Maq'aday is dual. Maq'aday. Fi has come. So it is majroor. Do you think something has been dropped here? Noon has been dropped. Put a little noon there to remind you, you know, it was actually maq'adaini. Fi maq'adaini. And then as soon as you put huma into it, it became fi maq'adayhima. Fi maq'adayhima. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? You know, I wrote it down in my book when I was studying. I wrote down maq'adaini plus huma. Just to hint, you know, that sometimes if you write things like that, when you are revising, it will immediately strike, inshallah. Okay, brother and sister. Ya Hamid, ka'annaka turidu an takula shayyan. How will you translate, brothers? Oh Hamid, it seems, you know, you want to ask something. Hal ladayka su'alun? Do you have any question? No, brother, what kind of a sentence is this? Hal ladayka su'alun? Hal is harfu istifham. It has got no value in the sentence. It has no grammar value. That's it. Hal. Okay. What is ladayka? Zarf wa mudaf ilayhi. Okay. So, where is our mubtada? Su'alun. Indefinite. So it means Shibu Jumla has to come as a khabar. So where is our khabar? Ladai. Ladai is your khabar. And then Shibu Jumla khabar. It is a zarf. And what is ka? Mudaf ilayhi. And su'alun is mubtada. Inshallah. Hamid. Naam. Ana matlubun. Al-ana fi nadi riyadi. Nadi means club. And riyadi means sports or gymnastic. I'm needed. I'm required. I'm wanted. Matlub means I'm needed, I'm required, I'm wanted. I'm in demand. I have been demanded. Matlub. What is matlub, brother and sister? Ism maf'ul. From talaba, yatalubu. And from there, ism fa'il is talibun. And ism maf'ul is matlubun. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Afa adhabu am ahdaru darsa. Shall I go? Or shall I be present for the dars? Or shall I attend the dars? Are you with me? Afa. Brothers and sisters, afa. What is the fa here doing? Harfu atfin. It came afterwards. Are you with me? It came afterwards. What came first? Harfu istifham. Why? Queen Victoria, did I tell you this? No, where did you hear this? Oh, okay. Okay, we will be doing this a lot. We'll be doing this a lot. Brothers and sisters, when harfu istifham comes, and there is a harfu atfin coming, harfu atfin, which is waw or fa or thumma, they will have to come afterwards. Because here, Hamzatul Istifham behaves like Queen Victoria. She will not allow anybody to come in front of her. Are you with me? You will remember this. You will see this in the Quran all the time. A will come first and then harfu atfin will come. Why? Now change a into hal. If you change a into hal, fa hal azhabu, then fa will come first and hal will come afterward. For hal azhabu, it will be like this. But if a comes, then she will not allow anybody to come in front of her. Are you with me? So I jokingly say, Hamzatul Istifham behaves like Queen Victoria. She doesn't want anybody in front of her. Everybody has to follow her. We will be seeing many examples like this, brothers and sisters. Afa adhabu am ahdaru darsa. Here is Mudarris, brothers and sisters. An tahdura darsa khairun lakum. An tahdura darsa khairun laka. What is the an tahdura? Masdar mu'al. What will be? Change this into masdar, proper masdar. Huduruka. What is it? Huduruka. Write it down, brother. Huduruka. That is what will replace, if you wanted to replace Masdar Muawwal. Okay. So, an tahdura takdiruhu huduruka. Okay. Yumkinuka dhahabu ila nadi fil fushati. See again, yumkinuka, yumkinukem, amkana yumkinu, ka is mafulun bihi, al-zahabu is your master. You can easily change that. Yumkinuka an tazhaba. You can immediately say yumkinuka an tazhaba ila nadi fil fushati, in the break. Yadkhulu hasanu wa bi yadihi ulbatun. Okay, brothers and sisters. Bi yadihi ulbatun. What is the meaning of ulbatun? A box, a carton. Okay, a carton. See, ulbatun, indefinite, came late. So what is shibu jumla? Bi yadi. Only bi yadi. Bi yadi is jar majrur. And then he is mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Bi harf jar, yadi ism majrur, wa huwa mudaf, and he mudaf ilayhi. Madha fil ulbati ya Hasan. What is in the box? So, madha fil ulbati. Where is mubtada? Maza. Where is khabar? Fil ulbati. Shibu jumla. What is the answer? Fiha tabashiru. No, tabashiru is indefinite. But there is single dhamma there. What does it mean? It is a diptode. It is a diptode. So, fiha jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar, and tabashiru, brothers and sisters, it is mubtada and it is indefinite. Fine. Yadkhulul murakibu wa ma'ahu talibun jadidun. Wa ma'ahu talibun jadidun. Now this is your jumla ismiya. What is ma'ahu? Ma'a is zarf. What is ma'a? Is zarf. Ma'a is zarf. Shibu jumla khabar, and who mudaf ilayhi. What is talibun? Mubtada. See, again it is indefinite. So whenever you will see an indefinite noun coming as a mubtada, it will always be, most of the time I should say, it will come late. Are you with me? And you know why it comes late. Because we got Tim Horton so close by, he stops at Tim Horton to get his coffee and donut. Fine. Jadidun is naat. Yusallimani, they extend their salutations. Yusallimani, what is yusallimani? What is the verb? Sallama, yusallimu, yusallimani. They extend their salutation, they say Salamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Al-Murakib, Hadha talibun jadidun. Is hadha definite? Yes, all pronouns are definite. Very good, brothers and sisters. Ahlan wa sahlan, kaifa haluka. What is kaifa? Khabar. Kaifa is khabar. Ismu istifham coming as a khabar. Where is mubtada? Halu. See, now from now onwards we will analyze the questions. Before we were not ready to analyze it. Now our understanding of mubtada and khabar is almost complete. Anything that you have to understand from mubtada and khabar, it is here in this lesson, inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters, kaifa haluka, what is the answer? Bi khair. What is bi khair? Jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Where is mubtada? Mahzuf. Ana bi khair. Ana has been dropped. Is it permissible? Yes, it is permissible if it is known for whom we are talking. Okay? Alhamdulillah. Masmuka. What is ma here? Khabar. Ismu istifham coming as a khabar. Where is mubtada? Ismu. Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? What is the answer? Munir. What is Munir? Khabar. Where is mubtada? Ismi is dropped. Ismi is dropped. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Al-maniyu anta. Al-maniyun anta. Where is mubtada? Anta, mashallah, mashallah. I thought you will be tempted to say al-maniyu. No. Anta al-maniyu, or you can say al-maniyu anta. What is the meaning of that? Are you from Germany or are you German? La. What is the answer? Birtaniyun. I am British. So what is Birtaniyun? Khabar. Where is the mubtada? Mahzuf, dropped. Got the idea? Now sometimes, brothers and sisters, both mubtada and khabar can also be dropped. Both mubtada and khabar can also be dropped. Look at this sentence. Al-maniyun anta. If the answer was naam, naam, and then he did not say anything. He's supposed to say naam, ana, and maliyun, but he will say naam and he keeps quiet. So in that case, both mubtada and khabar got dropped. Mahzuf. It's possible. Okay? Fine, brother. Aina darasta al-lughat al-arabiyata ya Munir. Translation, brothers and sisters. Where did you learn the Arabic language, ya Munir? Darastuha. Darastuha. Fi'l, fa'il, maf'ulun bihi, fi madrasatin islamiyatin. Very good, brothers and sisters. Afi birtaniyata madarisu islamiyatun. Brothers and sisters, afi birtaniyata. Why birtaniyata? Mamnu min as-sarf. Madarisu islamiyatun. What is madarisu? Mubtada. And what is islamiyatun? Not. Why this single dhamma there and here it is tun? Because it is a diptode. Because it is a diptode. And why the naat is tun? Kullu jama muannas. All these things, small things, should be in our mind, inshallah. So where is the mubtada? Madarisu. Where is the khabar? Fi Birtaniya. Jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar. Now see, what is the answer? Naam. So it means both mubtada and khabar are mahzuf, you know. So what would have been the answer? Naam. Fi Birtaniyata madarisu islamiyatun. There are Islamic schools in England, inshallah. Kam madrasatan hunaka. Brother, now you tell me. Kam madrasatan hunaka. Is it Jumla Ismiya, Failure? Jumla Ismiya. Okay, fine, brother. Where is our Mubtada? Kam, mashallah. Kam is your Mubtada. What is madrasatan? Tamiz. And what is hunaka? That is your Shibu Jumla Khabar. What is it? Zarf Shibu Jumla Khabar. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Alhamdulillah. La adri biddabt. Dara yadri, to know. La adri, I don't know. Biddabt means for sure. How many? Okay. Al madarisu kathiratun. The schools are many. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now you got to write it, Inshallah, if you get a time, write down all the Jumla Ismiya, identify Mubtada, identify Khabar, and then after identifying Khabar, describe the kind of it. And you will only use 3 columns. Mufrad, Shibu Jumla, and Jumla. Inshallah. You will remember, brothers and sisters? Fine. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. أين أراد حامد أن يذهب؟ أراد حامد أن يذهب إلى النادي الرياضي. بماذا أتى؟ Whether أتى يأتي. B has come. So بماذا أتى? بماذا أتى الحسن? What did the Hasan bring? What will be the meaning of this sentence? What did the Hasan bring? Min ghurfatil muraqib. From the supervisor's room, Ata al-Hasanu bi ulbati tabashira. Bi ulbati tabashira. He brought the box of chalk, inshallah. Masmut talib al-jadid ismuhu Munir. Min aina huwa? Huwa min Birtaniyata. Okay? Inshallah, you'll be able to figure out. This exercise, brother, one has to read the lesson couple of times carefully, and it's easy for you to, inshallah, write down the answers. Now we go to Tamareen. What is the page, brothers and sisters? Page 92. Ej'al kull ismin mimma yati mubtada. Translation, brother? Make every ism which follows into mubtada. Very easy, brother. What will you say? Ahmad. What will you say, brothers and sisters? Ahmad. What do you want to call Ahmad? Mujtahidun, Ghaibun, Ghaibun, Kaslanu, Talibun, Mujtahidun, whatever you want to call. Okay? Ahmad wa akhuhu mujtahidani. Ahmad wa akhuhu mujtahidani. Inshallah, you will make an effort and do it. It will be interesting. Al-Muslimuna, you can say that. Yusalluna ala nabi, or you can say, I would love to say, Al-Muslimuna salihuna. Muslims are always pious. Al-Muslimuna salihuna. Inshallah. As-sayaratu jamilatun kadimatun. Whatever you can say. Now watch, brothers and sisters. See, we have to now incorporate everything. Mufrad, Tasniya and Jama. All these things have to be taken into account. Manaratal masjidi. Jamilatani, tawilatani. Whatever you want to say. See, manaratani al-masjidi. So you drop the noon. Manaratal masjidi. Are you with me? Do you feel that you drop the noon? For mudaf ilayhi. Because it was supposed to be Manaratani al-masjidi. And you drop the noon and made it into Manarat al-masjidi. Manarat al-masjidi. Huh? At-talibatu mujtahidatun. MashaAllah. At-talibatu mujtahidatun. Kalamun, brother. Kalamun maksurun. Al-kalamu. You will say al-kalamu. You cannot say kalamun. Huh? If you say kalamun maksurun, it's not a sentence. Al-kalamu maksurun. Okay. Al-kutubu. What will you say? Al-kutubu jadidatun. The books are new. Are you with me? Very good. Ma bika. Are you with me? Ma bika, what's wrong with you? We have to make them mubtada. So do not, if you say masmuka, then ma is not mubtada. When you say ma bika, then ma is mubtada. Pada man maridun, then man is your mubtada. Very good. Beautiful exercises, brother. Interesting exercises. You know something? When the things go very well and the exercises are very interesting, then time runs away. Huh? Time seems to fly. When the exercises are boring, time seems to stay, doesn't move. Okay, but the time is moving very fast. Ej'al kull ismi mimma yati khabaran. Now you got to make the khabar. Maftuhatani. Maftuhatani. Baba? No. Tani. Na. If you say Babani, Al-Babani, Maftuhani. An-Nafidatani, Maftuhatani. Huh? You got to be sure, huh, brother? We cannot make mistake. An-Nafizatani, Maftuhatani. Huh? Khabar is indefinite. Huh? Mubtada has to be definite, so what will you say? An-Nafizatani, Maftuhatani. Or you can even say As-Sayaratani, Maftuhatani. The two cars are open. Okay, fine. Okay, brother, what is next? Mughlaqatani. Sayaratani, Mughlaqatani. The two cars are locked, closed. Very good. Jamilatun. Now, Ukhti Jamilatun. Ukhti Jamilatun. My sister is beautiful. Najihuna. At-tullabu najihuna. Very good. Mutahajjibatun. They are all in hijab. At-talibatu mutahajjibatun. They are all wearing hijab. Kaifa. We have to make it into khabar. Kaifa haluki. Or haluki, you know. Aina. Aina al-mudarrisu. Where is the teacher? Now comes ma as a khabar. Masmuka. Now you can say masmuka. Man. Man. Man anta. When you say man anta, anta man. So man here will be your khabar. So you will say ana. Okay? Inshallah. Mata. Mata safaru. When is the traveling? Mata safaru. When is the traveling? Inda al-mudiru inda al-fasli. The headmaster is in the class. Fawka al-kalamu fawka al-tawilati. The pen is on the table. Or you can say al-usfuru fawqa shajarati. The sparrow is above the tree. Inshallah. But this will require all your knowledge. Ij'al lafz mudarris mubtada fi khamsi jumalin ala an yakuna al-khabaru mufradan fil ula wa zarfan fi thaniya wa jar wa majrur fi salisa wa jumla fi'liya fi rabi'a wa jumla ismiya fi al-khamis. So mudarris is your mubtada. Now you have to make 5 different khabars. What will you say, brothers and sisters? Al-mudarrisu mujtahidun, you can say. Al-mudarrisu jadidun. Al-mudarrisu jadidun, brothers and sisters. Next one, brother. Al-mudarrisu indal mudiri. Al-mudarrisu indal mudiri. Next one, jar majrur. Al-mudarrisu fil fasli. Al-mudarrisu dhahaba ila suq. Fine. Now jumla ismiya. Al-mudarrisu akhuhu tabibun. The teacher, his brother is a doctor. Are you with me? Al-mudarrisu akhuhu tabibun. I told you, make simple sentence, brother. Life is very complicated. We don't want to make it more complicated. Make simple sentences. Okay, brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, so far so good. I don't think we'll be able to finish the lesson, but I will try to finish a couple of more exercises. Hati thalasa jumlin khabru kulli wahidatin minha zarf. 3 sentences. In every sentence, the khabar is zarf. Okay, brother? At-talibu indal mudiri. Al-hakibatu tahta al-maktabi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Al-madrasatu amam al-masjidi. So you can use 3 simple sentences in which you can use amama, khalfa, tahta, and inshallah you are okay. Ati salasa jumlin. Okay, brother. Khabara kulla wahidin minha jar wa majrur. Fine, brothers and sisters. 3 sentences. Al-mudarrisu fil fasli. Next one, brothers and sisters. Dafatiru tullabi ala maktabil mudarrisi. The last one has to be the most beautiful sentence. Alhamdulillah. What is lillah? Jar majrur shibu. Whenever we want to give an example of shibu jumla, we must say Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Okay, brothers and sisters, I'll read this, brother. Ij'al kull ismi mimma yati mubtada ala an yakuna khabaruhu jumlatan ismiyatan. Wasta'in, and take help, okay? Billazi, wasta'in bilsmil lazi bayna qawsayni. Li takwini khabar. Takwini. What is takwini? Making of it. So what is takwin? Takwin. Masdar. Form 2. What is the verb? Kawwana. Kawwana yukawwinu. Kawwana yukawwinu takwin. Fine, brother. Ahmad. Now we have to remember, this is our last exercise, brothers and sisters. Ahmad. All jumla ismiya, we want to make all jumla ismiya. This you should do at home, because this is the beautiful exercise to make you strong and making jumla ismiya coming as a khabar. Ahmadu. Akhuhu tabibun. Akhuhu tabibun. You got a hint from that akhuhu. Okay, well. Sayyaratuka launuha jamilun. Or anything you can say. Launuha ahmaru aswadu, whatever you want to say. Kutubut tafsiri. Thamanuha. What will you say? The books of tafsir. The price of it is, you can say ghalin, or expensive. What will you say? Ghalin. Remember, ghalin is marfu. Thamanuha ghalin. Or you want to say thamanuha rakhisun, you can say. But ghalin is, they are always expensive. Atalibul jadidu ismuhu, whatever you want to say. Muhammad, Khalid, Allahu, fadluhu, kathirun or azimun. Istakhrij min ad-darsi amsilatan li jumlatil ismiyati hudifa mubtada'u. Take out those examples from the dars of Jumla Ismiya in which the mubtada is mahzuf. Kaifa haluka bi khair. These are all there. Masmuka munir. So these are all the sentences you have. Now, we have already done this exercise, and I really want to now point out to you one more time. استخرج من الدرس من المبتدات والأخبار وأين نوع كل خبر على النحو التالي. On the following pattern or the following way, you will specify. So you will make the one column al-jumlatu. Remember, the next column will be mubtada, and the next column will be khabar, and then the rest of the column should be is it mufrad, is it jumla, or is it shubu jumla? So make those columns like a narrow column. All you have to do is tick, inshallah. Okay. Now the last page we will do tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, we have finished almost the lesson. Inshallah. Rabbana آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين واجعلنا للمتقين إماما. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا إن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم.